I should have taken it higher up the first time, but I was scared. And now I'm not. Hey everybody, it's Sarah from the Style Blog. This is my husband Grant.
Hey!
And I'm gonna cut his hair today. So all of the barber shops have been closed for like a month now, and he's getting kind of desperate. So I can't believe he's trusting me to cut his hair, but I hope it turns out well. How long has it been since you've had a haircut?
2-3 months, I think.
Oh my gosh.
It's been a little while. So getting a little desperate. I'm not sure how much she's studied for this. She says she's watched, what, like 2 videos?
I think I watched 4 videos.
So, okay, yeah. Let's get it done.
And you requested a taper fade. Does anyone know what this means?
Yeah.
We'll see how this goes, guys. You said I'm supposed to flip your collar in? This is like what the professionals do?
They also have one of those aprons. You have an apron?
We don't have an apron. I just laid a drop cloth down and we'll change clothes after this. It's a really professional setup. So I need, which guard do I need first?
You tell me.
Okay, we got our number 4 clip, which is 1/2 inch. And I'm just gonna.
But maybe not that high. Maybe down here. Let's start
Maybe
low.
not that high.
Just start lower here.
Okay. Oh gosh. Oh guys. Okay, let's turn you around here so they can see.
Now I can't see.
You can't see in my little mirror anymore. Okay, here we go. Here goes nothing. Goodness. Can you hear him panicking? Probably not over the buzzers.
Oh my god. How much is this taking off?
Quite a bit.
Oh my gosh.
It looks good. It really does. It looks good.
Okay, alright.
It looks good.
Trusting you here.
Does your normal barber make this much of a mess?
Yeah, but I have a cape thing on.
Oh gosh. It looks better already, guys. Look at this. It looks so much better already. Okay. How are you feeling?
Good. Yeah, this is great.
Okay, let's do this side. This looks so much better already. So I did what is this? Number 4. And I just did it to where like his head starts rounding out. So I did it to like about right here. And I'm going to go in with a number 2. Do we decide we want to do
3.
3! But we have to do the 3 to fade it.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So I'm going to go back in with a 2 and like make a line like here. And then we're going to go in with a 3 and like fade it together. This is going to be my taper fade. I've never done this before. I've never cut anyone's hair before, but we're crossing our fingers. Okay. Number 2. Okay, so we're going to trade the 4 out for a 2. Oh gosh, I took the whole thing off.
That's okay.
Is it fixable?
Yeah.
Ah!
There's not much, is there? Oh, okay. Never.
Just trust me.
I know.
Yeah, but didn't we have another one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's already on here.
Yeah.
Okay, number 2, I'm going to make a line like here, all the way around. And then we're going to fade it with the 3 in the middle. Hopefully this looks good. Okay guys, let's look at this. I'm so sorry, I should have put a towel around you, it's my fault. Okay. Can you see this? So here's the number 2 up to here. Here is the number 4. So I'm going to go back in with the number 3 and just fade this line out. It really doesn't look bad so far. It looks pretty good.
I'm liking it.
Do you trust me?
Yeah, why not? Did you do this side?
Yes, I did.
Okay, cool.
Okay, let's go. Where's the number 3? Okay, number 3. Here we go. We're going to fade the lines together. It
does feel good.
It's looking good, guys. Oh, yay. Yeah, I need to go back with the 4. I should have taken it higher up the first time, but I was scared. And now I'm not. Oh gosh, okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Can you see this fade? It looks good. Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Actually, it's looking really good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm kind of impressed. This looks so good.
We're gonna be saving some money. I'd be doing this every 3 weeks.
There's so much hair. There's hair everywhere. I'm so sorry. If I do this again, I'm gonna get a cape. See, I can still see a line like over here, so I'm gonna just try to fade this with the 4. Looking more even?
Yep.
Does it look bad?
No, it looks good. It looks good. It looks good. This is the part where she starts doing like scissors. So I don't know.
I don't know how to do the scissors. Okay. I'm gonna keep blending it. I feel like I did a good job on the fade. I'm kind of impressed with the fade. Okay, but I don't know what to do with the top. None of the tutorials really covered what you do with the top.
You have to just take a ton, like a 1/4 inch off everything. Or not much.
Okay.
Not much at all.
Okay. And I only have these Scotch kitchen scissors, so...
This is crazy.
Okay. You know, because like you see the hairdressers going like this, that's the only reason I'm going like that. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at this! It's looking so good! Feel it. Does it feel good?
It really does feel good. Feels normal.
It's so good.
Feels normal after a haircut.
It's so good. Okay. Oh, here. This is a little poofy right here.
That's good. Looks really good.
He's found the mirror and he's not even scared.
Yeah.
It's wild.
It is scarier watching you do it.
It's scarier watching me. I'm going to turn you back around. It's frightening on these front pieces. I don't really know, like, am I supposed to pull them a certain direction and cut them? Like, pull them this way, pull them that way?
Huh?
What? I'm not cutting that much off.
Yeah.
I'd rather it be longer and look good. You're, like, never going to be so happy to see your barber after this. Sorry, these are not very sharp.
That's okay.
Like, pulling his hair, it's not nice. Could be doing bad things right now.
She also wets my hair, so I don't know if that makes a difference.
Maybe we should wet it.
Yeah, maybe that would help it lay flat a little better.
Probably. Probably. We need a cape. We
Let me go do that. Let me go dip my head in the water. Maybe that help.
Okay.
Really, because then it won't be as crazy.
Grant's getting scared. I'm getting scared. No, not really. It looks a lot better than I thought it was going to look. Whew.
Really does. Looks good.
He just said it looks good. Let's wait for him to come back. I'm covered in hair now, too. I need a cape. Maybe that's why they wear the aprons. I should buy one of those. That would have been fun. Okay, he wet it. He's back. He thinks it's going to help. I think it's going to make it worse. We're going to see. I think I was doing so well. I don't think we should have messed with such a good thing.
No, I think it's good.
If I mess up now, this is on you because you wet it.
Okay. Is it cutting? I think it's cutting easier now.
It is cutting easier, yeah. It's easier to grab. Does it look good?
Yeah. Okay, it looks great. Good job.
Yes. Okay, I gotta trim the bottom here.
Yeah. I think no. Okay, so here's. No, I think you need to use this.
For what? That?
Yeah, just around the bottom.
He's calling the shots
I
now.
think. I don't know.
Oh gosh. Oh. Golly. Okay.
I mean, I don't know, but
What is this one? A number 2? We have had a number 2.
it was like a different one now.
Now
Help at all?
I don't know. Now I'm gonna go around with just this and just clean up the bottom. Oh, this looks so good. So your neck's all red now.
That's alright.
Look, it's all red. I scraped it all.
She does a hot towel shave after this.
Hot towel shave. That's not gonna happen, but I feel like this looks really good. Okay, let's go rinse you off, get all this hair off, and then we'll put your gel in it, and we'll be back and see how it looks. Dang, boo.
Don't be weird.
You look so good.
I'm
Guys,
pretty impressed.
This looks
ma'am.
so much better. Okay, you're showered, you're clean, and then he put his little gel in it like he normally does, and check it out. Oh, it looks so good.
I appreciate it.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I was kind of scared, but it all turned out alright. The only thing that was missing was the hot towel shave, and she does a massage too. So, but you know.
He didn't sign up for that with me. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, check out our day in the life video. I'm gonna link it for you right here, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye guys.
Bye.